Hey you guys, it's Molly. I'm using the Arteza pouches tonight. So it comes with a lot of beautiful colors. I'm using white, gold, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, and crimson. The crimson actually looks a little more red. The gold is a beautiful gold. Ultramarine blue sometimes takes on a purplish tint. This one does not have it, and the phthalo green looks like phthalo green. I have discounts down below if you check in the description. But they're really highly pigmented paints, and so I was going to try those in my colander pour tonight and see how that goes. For the actual container, it comes with 14 colors. I was sad because it actually doesn't have a purple in it. It has a bunch of like burnt sienna and it's got a yellow ochre. I don't really work with those colors, but now that I have it, guess I'm going to. So, all right, let me get you set up on the canvas. I'm going to be using my spinner tonight to spin out the colander pour and see how the Arteza paints hold up with it. Okay, so I've layered my cup and I'm actually really pleased. I'm worried that this is going to look like Christmas, you guys. But whatever, I got to try and experiment, right? So my colors are not bleeding together at all, so I'm really happy about that part. So I'm going to, this is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I'm out of round canvases. I'm just going to start pouring right in the center and keep pouring straight little lines right in the center. So my blue and crimson, ultramarine and crimson ended up turning into a purple a little bit, which I actually like. The paints for the colander pour are very thick, and I use gloss, medium, and varnish to help. Gosh, the spinner wants to keep spinning. Okay, I'm gonna slowly lift up and let all the paints drip out. If your paints don't come out of the colander, your paint was too thick. Okay, that's very pretty. This paint is just a little bit thick, but let me take you in and show you. Gosh, that is so pretty. I hope that balloon stays there in the middle. Okay, all right, let me get you back down on the canvas. Get my colander out of the way. And I'm going to spin this out. I hope that gold shows up because wow. Let me see if I can actually take you down and show you. Okay, so already, do you guys see those? Those are absolutely beautiful. There's my little candies. Oh, my ghost, hold on. But yeah, look at those little, oh, I hope this turns out okay. All right, so let me get you back on the canvas, and I'm going to, so you want to make sure that the weight of the paint is in the center for the most part. Oh, I feel like maybe I should just stretch this one out, you guys. I don't know. I really like it already. Okay. I just settled the weight of the paint a little bit, and I'm going to pop the air bubbles. Oh man, and I'll show you the colander at the end. You guys remind me. I'll show you the colander at the end. It's beautiful. Gosh, I don't know what to do. I guess I'm gonna spin it. Here I go. It doesn't take much centrifugal force at all. I wanna make sure that it's on there good though, to get it to start spinning. Now, if your table, so see how this is, my table is a little bit off center, so the weight of the paint must have been also a little bit off center. Let me get my tweezers. Okay, so I had to get that little spot out right there. So I'm gonna twist this around and keep spinning. Move my paint back just a little bit. Keep spinning this out. So this spinner has been really useful for a ton of stuff. Okay, so I've got it out to those edges over there. I've got my design, I've held my balloon, I'm super excited. I have a little silicone mat under here that just all the paint just peels right off. So I feel like maybe it needs to be up a little bit. It's not. We'll see if I can get there. So yeah, all this paint is spinning off this side. So I'll just get it off there first. And then what I do is just kind of touch the corner to get it to go down. Just touch the corner. Okay, so I'm gonna move my paint this way just a little bit. And then use the centrifugal force to get that side over there. What ended up happening is it ended up creating these rainbow little designs from the gold and the green and the red and the blue, because the gold acted like a yellow. It's really beautiful. I think what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of weight right here and see if that helps to spin it the other way. Yep, now I'm covering these corners out here. Not too much paint is flying off because it's thick, so you don't have to worry about that. So what I do in this situation when I can't get it all the way to the edge, and the paint is still moving, so I am going to, I'm gonna keep spinning for a second. There we go. This side is coming off and I don't want to ruin the design over here. So what I do is I take a little balloon and I go to my edges and I just touch them out like that. So that there's just a little bit of paint there. That is a chunk. That would have never gone away. And then it looks like the design has continued along the edges, even though you couldn't get the paint there. So that's just one of my little tricks that I use if I need to. Wow. I love the effects in this one, and the balloon stayed in the middle. Okay, let me take you down. It's spun out a little bit, but I still really, really like the design. It's a little bit Christmassy, kind of the white and the phthalo mixed to like a mint color, but well, I'll take you down and I'll show you. Okay, so look at those. Oh my gosh. They are so freaking cool. There's my little candies. That one got a little smushed. That's one of my favorites. That's my favorite. Look at that little cell that's in there. So that's the overall look. There's the balloon in the middle. And that's the overall look. I'm super happy with it. You guys can let me know. The red and the green, maybe a little bit of brown. They're a primary and a secondary color. I mean, complementary colors. So yeah, primary and a secondary. Yeah, I really like this one, guys. Look at that balloon. All right, you guys, so at first I was thinking, yuck, Christmas. And it's still not my favorite color combination by any means, but the way that these designs dried, I mean, those right there, I love the color combination there. And at the center, the balloon and the gold, you can't really see it here, but the gold is like really shimmery. I actually really do like it. I like the design. I like how big and puffy those came out. So I don't know, the color combination, not so much. but in small little pieces. Wow, I really like it. All right, so there you go. Trying new things. You guys are with me along for the journey. I'm not perfect. All right, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting.